10 credible ways to make a living and passive income on the internet. Did you know that you can earn a living on the internet? That's right. All you need is an internet access on a computer or phone. So, in this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways where you can start making some extra income, or if you're serious, some good money. Isn't it incredible? You can make as much as $100 a day or more on some of these platforms. And the greatest part is that you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job. This money can be earned in your spare time. There are two separate ways to make money on the internet. The first method is active income. It's just like a regular 9-to-5 job, only the work you complete is compensated. Simple as that. If you do not work, you will not earn money. The second method is passive income. This is my favorite method because with passive income, all you have to do is put in the initial effort and the money in theory will keep coming in without you having to do anything more. Apart from possibly promoting your own works or, in some cases, the work of others. Let's get to the video, shall we? Number 1. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically selling someone else's product for a small or huge profit without having to bother with shipping. So, you're essentially operating as a broker or middleman. You may achieve this by first creating a Shopify store and then connecting it to Oberlo. Oberlo is a Shopify integrated tool that many users use to find items to sell on their websites. The main idea behind drop shipping is that you set up a store or other channel where consumers can buy your products. After they purchase something from you, you pay the manufacturer, usually for a fraction of what you paid for it, and have the manufacturer ship it to the consumer. All of this happens without you ever seeing or touching the item. The best part about drop shipping is that you can pick your own price for the product you wish to sell and leave the rest to the manufacturer. That, in a nutshell, is drop shipping. If you're interested in drop shipping, YouTube has a number of tutorials that will walk you through the process of setting up your store, sourcing products, promoting, contacting influencers, and ultimately shipping and getting paid. Number 2. Fiverr. You probably heard of Fiverr before, because it's a quick and simple website to get started with. If you haven't heard of it, it's a freelance website where you can outsource almost everything. For as little as $5, you can do anything as long as it's legal. There are a variety of ways to generate money on Fiverr, to name a few: animation, logo design, packaging design, online and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architectural and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandising, SEO, and much more are all available. Anything that can be outsourced can almost certainly be found on Fiverr. Guys, go check out Fiverr. It's a legitimate way to make money. Number 3. TakeLessons.com. TakeLessons is an online platform for teaching any skill. Everyone has a skill that they can teach, whether it's teaching a language, cooking, playing a musical instrument, or solving hard math calculations. Anything you think someone else might not know, you can teach them and start making money. Number 4. Rover. Do you love pets, particularly dogs? If that's the case, you should look at Rover. Rover is a dog sitting service offered exclusively in the United States and Canada at the moment. If you live in one of those two nations, you can register as a dog sitter and earn money by watching pets. Simply babysitting someone's dog might earn you anywhere from $80 to $100 every night. Even babysitting someone's pet can earn you hundreds of dollars every week. How's that for a bargain? Number 5. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a digital media marketplace where you can buy and sell media. Images, music, and video clips are such examples, primarily made by freelancers and third parties. So if you're good at photography, shooting stunning photos and films, or generating sick beats, this is the place to be. Shutterstock allows you to make money with your skills. Every time someone buys one of your photos from Shutterstock, you get paid a commission, which can range from a few cents to a few dollars if you're lucky. The key to making a lot of money with Shutterstock is to keep posting high-quality photographs on a regular basis. Number 6. Flippa. Flippa is the most popular platform for purchasing and selling online businesses. It has a large audience and excellent tools for increasing visibility. It's a digital asset auction site similar to eBay for individuals selling and purchasing websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you're skilled at creating apps or websites, you may sell them online and earn money. Or even better, but if you have some spare cash and are interested in purchasing already profitable websites, applications, or e-commerce enterprises, Flippa allows you to do so. Number 7. ClickBank. ClickBank is an online marketplace where product creators and affiliates can sell their courses and services to the world. Although ClickBank exclusively offers digital products, the beauty of it is that the commission payout is significantly bigger than Amazon. Keep in mind that some affiliates will pay you up to 75% for selling their services, while others will only pay you 5%. However, you make a lot of money on ClickBank, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Simply go to ClickBank, select product to sell, and begin earning money. Number 8. Amazon. Although Jeff Bezos began his company by selling books, Amazon now sells practically any item you can imagine. Amazon isn't only a place you buy your favorite toys, it can also help you create money. Here are 3 options you can do. The first option is to use Amazon Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is similar to Upwork in that it allows businesses to outsource work. It is too complex for a computer to complete. Audio editing and transcription, audio and video translation from various languages, web page testing, writing reviews, and a variety of other services are offered. Working on a few different tasks can earn you as much as $20 or $30 per hour. This is a legitimate way to earn money that pays. This is active income. The second option is Amazon Kindle Publishing. Make money today by turning your ideas into an ebook. When you buy an ebook from Amazon, Amazon and a publisher profit, and you can profit as well. The thing about Kindle Publishing is that you have to book a sale first. You have the choice of writing the book yourself or hiring someone to do it for you. You don't need to be a well-known author or work with a publishing company to do this. You may do this from the comfort of home and start making some passive income. Isn't it fantastic? The best part is that it is completely free, so sign up today and start earning money. You can sit back and relax on your couch while earning some good old passive income, while Amazon handles the money handling tomfoolery. If you're serious about learning more about Kindle Publishing, I strongly recommend you to do some research. On YouTube, you can find free videos and tutorials that will teach you the fundamentals. You might have to pay for a course if you want expert advice. If you're interested, I'll include a link to a really nice one in the description. Publishing Kindle ebooks on Amazon can earn you over hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's a market worth exploring. The third option is Amazon Associates Program. This is a popular and simple approach to generating passive income. Simply sign up for the free Amazon Associates Program and choose from thousands of items on Amazon to sell on your website and begin marketing. Amazon will provide you with a unique link. Every time someone purchases using your link, Amazon will pay you a commission ranging from 5% to 10% of the sale. Amazon will reimburse you 60 days after you make a purchase, and you can select between receiving payment in Amazon gift cards or wire transfer to your bank account. Although this is presently only available in the United States, if you live outside of the United States, you can still get paid via checks, but have the money transferred to your Amazon account, where you can use it to make purchases. Number 9. YouTube. Not many people are aware that YouTube can be used to create money. If you're thinking about making money on YouTube, make sure you grasp one thing first. According to the new guidelines, if you want to establish a new channel from scratch, you must first hit the YouTube minimum criteria in order to be monetized. That means you'll need 4,000 view hours and 1,000 subscribers from the last 12 months. You can start making money once you've achieved that point. How much can you make on YouTube? To be honest, you can make as much money as you want, as long as you keep uploading good content that people want to watch. The longer your videos are, the more money you can expect to make. You can earn anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars. The more views you get, the more money you'll make, and you'll also gain new subscribers. What you get from YouTube is passive income. Make a few videos and they should continue to bring in the cash. You may also generate money on YouTube by advertising paid sponsorships, but you'll need a large audience to do so, usually a minimum of 10,000 subscribers. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money, but we'll get to that later. Number 10. Upworks.com. Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers. You earn active income by working on Upwork. Businesses and individuals offer services they want to outsource on Upwork, such as article writing, video editing, app development, and coding. Upwork has a large number of tasks and services offered. The beauty of it all is that it has a low entry barrier. All you have to do is be good at something. If you have a skill, such as graphic design or coding, or just about any other skill, go to Upwork and start earning money today. If you're thinking about working on Upwork, have a strong profile that looks excellent. This will greatly increase the number of jobs offered you receive from potential clients. Putting your greatest work on display or emphasizing certain experiences will help you stand out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next one.